everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are making a unicorn cake. After stacking your cake, do the crumb coat like shown in the video. After applying the buttercream, scrape off the excess using your scraper. And of course, don't forget to apply buttercream on the top of your cake. Keep working on the top of your cake till you have a flat top. With a chilled cake, apply a second layer of buttercream. After applying enough buttercream, it's time to scrape off the excess with your scraper, like shown in the video. If after scraping the excess of buttercream from your cake, you still have gaps, fill it out with more soft buttercream and then scrape off the excess. Work on your buttercream until you have a completely white and smooth finish. Even if that means you still need to apply another layer of buttercream. Once you are satisfied with your buttercream, take the cake to the fridge to chill. Now let's make the unicorn. Start with the eyes. Apply some soft buttercream on its back so that it serves as a glue and press it carefully to the cake. Do the same process with the second eye. Once the eyes are on the cake, place the horn in the middle of the cake and the ears next to it. Now let's do the fun part and pipe colored buttercream to make the hair. For this design, I use pastel rainbow colors, but you can actually use any colors you want. Using different nozzles for each color will make your cake look prettier. And of course, the arrangement will be more interesting. Once you are almost finished with the top, start piping on the back of the cake. Be creative and play with the colors and the arrangement. Once you have piped enough on the back and the hair is ready on the back, start piping towards the front of the cake. And prefer using the smallest nozzle to put in the front. Apply more buttercream if needed. use the color with the smallest nozzle to make some details. Fill the gaps you might have with more buttercream. Don't forget to add edible golden dust or sprinkles for a special look. And now your unicorn cake is ready. Don't forget to save this tutorial to watch again later. I really hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Leave your like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye!